everyone, welcome back to my channel The Brown Girl. I am Mansi Suryavanshi and I hope you all are doing great. So today I am sharing with you guys this beautiful rose gold eye makeup look for Eid. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. But before starting, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, we will just get started. So for primer, I'm using Prefix primer, applying it all over my face and applying it also on my neck and spread it all over your face. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05, applying it first on my eyelid and under eye. I will be blending it using a small kabuki brush. Blend it nicely. Next, I am taking Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige, applying it all over my face and also on my neck. Please don't forget your neck whenever you apply foundation. Now, I will be blending it using a kabuki brush. Next, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05 and applying it on the bridge of my nose, cupid bows, chin, around my mouth and forehead. Blend properly with the same small kabuki brush. Next, I am taking RCO translucent powder in the shade banana and applying it on the area where I have applied concealer using the same small kabuki brush. Apply it nicely. Next, I am taking Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder in the shade Marble and applying it all over my face. Also, I will be dusting off excess powder, but I am not going to remove the powder from the under eye area. Apply it also on my neck. Next, for brows, I am using Music Flower Brow Pomade, which is in the shade dark brown, and I am using a small angled brush and filling my brows. Fill all the spark area and also create a arch. I copied the same on other brow and now spooling them out. Next, I will be using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster Palette, taking the shade Henna and Sandalwood, applying it on my crease using a fluffy blending brush. Blend it properly. Next, I am taking shade Cocoa in a pencil brush and applying it on the crease line. Apply it very nicely. First pat it and then I will be blending it. Next, I am taking the shade Sandalwood in a fluffy brush and fading the color from the outer area. Next, I am taking shade Rose Gold in a flat shader brush and applying it on the inner half of my eyelid, creating a cut crease sort of effect. Apply it nicely. Pat the shade instead of dragging it. It will apply it much better. Next, I will be taking shade 24K, which is a gold shade, and applying it on the mid of my eyelid. Again, pat it instead of dragging it and merging it with the rose gold shade. Next, I will be taking the shade Black Truffle on the outer corners of my eyes. Create a V sort of effect. And also keep on blending it with the brown shade. This angle brush is a bit fluffy. Now I will be copying the same on other eyes. Next, I am taking shade Cocoa in a pencil brush and smoking out my lower lash line. Smoke out it. Next I'm taking black truffle shade with the same brush and applying it on the outer parts. Now I'm dusting excess powder from the under eye. Now I'm using Miss Gold palette and taking the brown shade and doing contouring. First filling the hollows of my cheeks. Then I will be doing my forehead. Blend it nicely. I've also used blush, but the footage was somehow deleted, so sorry for that. Blend it nicely. Also use the contour shade on your forehead and jawline. Next I'm taking Aespa for face palette and using the brown shade from it and doing my nose contour. Please never use dark shade for doing your nose contouring, and do nicely. Next, from the same palette, I will be using both the highlighter and applying it on the highest point of my face. I'm using a fluffy brush for applying it. For nose, I'm using my ring finger. First apply it on the tip and on the bridge of your nose. Also apply it on your forehead, chin and cupid bows. Next, for highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, I'm taking Moon Dust shade from the same eyeshadow palette. I have took this small pencil brush and applying it on the inner corners, and also I will be applying it on my brow bones. Now I will be creating a wing eyeliner. For that I'm using Music Flower gel eyeliner, which is in the shade black. Basically I'm not going to create a wing eyeliner, I'm going to create a Arabic sort of eyeliner. So first I will be creating a wing on the outer corners of my eyes, create a beautiful wing, and then I'm going to create the wing on the inner corners too. The eyeliner in this eye makeup is the game changer. As you can see how beautiful my makeup is looking. Apply it very nicely, take your time while doing it. Copying the same on other eye. Next I'm taking the same gel eyeliner and applying it on my waterline. You can also use kajal if you want. Next I will be smudging it using the shade Henna. Smudge the kajal very nicely. Next I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. Coat your eyelashes properly. It's a very good mascara. You can give it a try. Also coat your lower lash line, lower lashes too. Next I will be using Mink false eyelashes. Always apply the glue and leave it for 30 seconds so that the glue get a bit tacky, and then apply your eyelashes. So eyelashes are done. Now I will be using Maybelline lipstick and the shade I am using is Nuha Amber, and filling my lips properly. It's a very beautiful brick sort of a shade. Now I will be taking Miss Gold palette and taking the orange shade from it and applying it on the mid of my lips for fading it from the middle area. So yeah, here's my finished final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any video. Please share this video to your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.